What's up, my beautiful family? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while and a lot of you reached out to me and was like, hey Wendy, what happened? We haven't seen your face for a while. Yes, life happens, and again I wasn't feeling too well, so I decided to take some time off to get myself well. And I appreciate each and every one of you that checked on me through my Telegram page, and also those that sent me email and also on Instagram as well. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Like, I missed you all so much. I missed being on your screen, and welcome back again to another interesting and fantastic video. If you are new to my channel, or this is your very first time you are coming across this channel, hi, how are you doing? My name is Wendy. In this channel, I make content around my lifestyle as an immigrant living here in Canada with my family, and also how you can migrate to Canada, settle seamlessly. And if this sounds really interesting, this is the type of video you are looking for, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, so each time I upload a new video, you are going to be the first person to get notified. For my returning and old viewers, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate and love you guys so much. Thank you for your massive support. Thank you for your love for me in this channel. It does goes a long way, right? Okay, so please guys, I would definitely advise you to please do well to share this video with your friends and family, and also drop your comments in the comment box below. I would definitely be there to chat and interact with you all. I want to simply inform you and also congratulate one of us in this channel that moved to Canada with her family last week. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, so this subscriber of mine moved to Canada with her family, and it was as well with the information I do share here with you guys that made her to get this job opportunity. So she got a job here in Canada, and today as we speak they are in Canada, and you can be one of them. Okay, so if you're out there and you're watching this video today, tell yourself that if others are getting these jobs in Canada, definitely you too can as well get it. Okay, and if there is any other route that you are looking out for in moving to Canada, of course you have to wear this positive mindset. Okay, yeah, so we are going to be delving right into today's video, and make sure you watch this video from beginning till the end, so you're not going to miss any of the information I will be sharing in today's video. And if you do have any question or there is something that you need clarification on, you can drop it in the comment box, or you can book for one-on-one meeting with me, and we will definitely delve into it more on how best it will favor you pending on your own situation. Okay, yeah, let's delve right into the video. So family, welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel once again. I have an exciting topic to discuss for all of you watching from abroad, those that are not in Canada and even those that are in Canada, as we are going to be talking about all the international professionals out there looking to kickstart their career in Canada, getting a job in Canada, and also moving into Canada to work and settle with their family. So in this video, I'll be delving deep into the process of getting a job in Canada, companies that are hiring foreign workers, and how you can apply for these jobs, right? I mentioned before regarding to one of us in this channel that got a job in outside of Canada, and today she and her family are currently in Canada working with work permit. And again, like I said, you can be the one out there. Okay, so sit back and relax yourself as I will be walking you through on everything you need to do and how you can get this job, companies that are employing, the amount they are willing to pay, and how you can also apply for this job. However, before you go ahead and apply for any of these jobs that I'm going to be showing you today, please make sure you have a good resume that stands out, like a Canadian kind of resume. I do tell you guys that that is the first thing that you need to do before you start applying for any of these jobs, because employers in Canada, they have their own, there is a standard way, or there is a standard format of how you can write your resume, and the employer will be able to look at it and see if you qualify based on the job they are looking for. And I also have a video on that which I have made in the past on how you can write a very fantastic resume, Canadian kind of resume. So you might want to look out for that video in my channel and you can watch it. And if you have maybe any clarification, or you want me to take a quick look on the resume, of course that is part of the services I render for you guys. So you can reach out to me and we'll be able to schedule a time that I will take a quick look on your resume before you start applying. But for those that already have their resume ready, like I have done tons of people that have walked through on their resume, if you are here and any of this job resonates with you or is part of what you're looking for, please go ahead and start applying as quick as possible. Okay, these jobs are very, very fantastic. Employers are looking for you out there. There are shortage of laborers in Canada, and a lot of people, a lot of employers are looking out on who they can hire, both those that are in Canada and those outside of Canada. If you are in Canada and you are here with a visitor visa or maybe work permit, and you've not, or you are here on a tourist and you're looking for a job, this is a great opportunity for you to delve into it. Okay, so let's quickly delve into today's video. The very first one that we have for today's video is general construction laborer, and this is available in Ontario, Mississauga precisely. The name of the company is Howard Property Development Inc. This job, like I said, is available in Ontario. If you look at here, you're going to see how much the employer is willing to pay, which is $26.25 per hour to $37.05 per hour. So hourly, yeah. So what it means is that depending on your negotiation skill, that will determine if they are going to be increasing it from 26 or not. And it's a permanent employment. They have day shift and the job is starting very soon. There are some benefits attached to this job, which you can see right here: healthcare benefits, financial, long-term benefit as well. And they are looking for 2 vacancies. Secondary school is the education that they need, or graduation certificate. The experience is just 2 years or less than 3 years. So if you have 2 years and, or maybe you have 2 years, that's still perfect. Okay, this is going to be an outdoor job. Tasks, or the things, responsibilities you're going to be doing is to assist in framing houses, erecting walls and building roofs, assist in demolishing buildings, remove rubble and other debris at construction sites. So these are all the things you can see right here as part of the things you're going to be doing for this particular job. But there are some credentials they need, or licenses and certificates that you will get, which is PPE, personal protective equipment training, and you will have CSTS certificate, which is construction safety training certificates. Okay, then the next one is first aid certificate. So all these things are what the employer said they need from you. However, what I would advise you, if you don't have the PPE or CSTS or first aid certificate, these are things you can quickly go online. And again, you can equally find some of them online, and you do the certification exam online or the training online, and you are good to go. All right, I always advise people that it's always good to get all this certification. When you need it, it's not going to be an issue for you than when you need it and you see that you don't have them. So it's very important. Equipment and machinery experience. So these are the experience you should have based on the equipment you've worked on before. or you've worked with before. Construction specialization, residential. Additional information is that the employer is going to be checking for a criminal record check and driver record check, and which is abstract. Then own vehicle, valid driver license is also needed, and some other things you can see right here on your screen. But I will quickly go down to see what are the benefits that you're going to be getting on this job, which is dental plan. You will have disability benefits, health care plan, you'll have vision care benefit, and there is also a financial benefit, which is a bonus, long-term benefit, life insurance, and also another benefit. So let's quickly see how you can apply for the job. So for you to apply for this job, the employer wants you to send your resume to this email you can see right on your screen, which is resumes@jansen/law.com. So that is where you send it, your resume. Okay, this very next one is for software developers, which is a very hot cake here in Canada. Like hot cake, when I mean hot cake, software developers, anything that has to do with IT or maybe healthcare is an hot cake, is a hot cake here. So this one, the job is for software developers, and the name of the company is Super Geo AI Technology Inc. and is also available in Calgary, Alberta. Looking at what we see here, the employer is willing to pay $38.83 per hour, which of course, if you have a good negotiation skill, it can still be bumped up. Okay, and this job is starting as soon as possible. It's also a permanent employment. It has some benefits as well, just like the previous one I showed you guys. And the number of vacancies they are looking for is 3. Then the education they need, you must have a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. Then experience you will have is just 1 year to less than 2 years. So if you have 1 year or 1 year plus, that is a good one. The tasks that you're going to be doing are all this you can see here, which entails writing, modify, integrate, and test software code. Right, so software developers, they always work with code. So I believe anyone that is going for this job will have experience on all these that is being mentioned here. All right, maintain existing computer programs by making modifications as required, and some other information you can see right here on your screen. Then down here are all the benefits you're going to be getting, which is healthcare plan. There is mileage paid, and there is other benefits, which is parking is available. That means you're going to be working inside. Okay, that they have parking available, and travel insurance is also going to be given to you. Then for you to apply for this job, you only simply need to send your resume to this email address you can see on your screen. But before you do that, the employer requested that you should have a cover letter. All right, so if you don't know how to write a cover letter, I know I'm owing you guys this cover letter of a thing, but don't worry, I'm going to come up with a video on that would help a whole lot of you out there to be able to write a good cover letter. Okay, but what you can do is to craft out a cover letter that will show how competent what you've done in the past and how it aligns with this particular job opportunity that the employer is looking for, and try to sell yourself very well that you can do the job, and voila, you are good to go. Okay, and you will have some screening questions they have right here, which is, are you willing to relocate for this position? Of course, the answer should be yes. Do you have previous experience in this field of employment? If you do have, please go ahead and put yes. What is the highest level of study you have completed? So you have to indicate. And remember, they mentioned that you will have bachelor's degree. So even if you have your master's, you can as well apply for this particular job. Okay, quickly look at this very next one that we have, which is agricultural equipment technician. So if you are into agriculture, you can go ahead and apply for this job. And the name of the company is Rocky Mountain Equipment LP. So if you want to find out this company, you can as well check them out on Google and check their website, see what they are into, find out more information, or if they have other job openings. Okay, even if this one does not resonate with you, you can find out if they have other job openings. Okay, and the pay is not that bad. Looking at this, you see $42 to $44 per hour, and they said it's going to be negotiable, so if you negotiate well, of course the payment might bump up. Okay, and is available in Alberta. This is a permanent employment and is also a full-time, which is going to be starting as soon as possible. This one also have some benefits, just like the previous one I also mentioned. So the number of vacancies they are looking for is just 2, while the education they are looking for is secondary high school graduation certificate. Okay, and experience is 3 years to less than 5 years. The environment is going to be noisy. Work setting is various location. Are you willing to relocate? So if you are willing to relocate and you have all the things that the employer is looking for, at least 85, 90, 95% of them, of course, I will advise you to go ahead and apply for the job. Okay. Then the benefits that they have for this particular one is dental plan, disability benefits, healthcare plan, paramedical services coverage, vision care benefit, lot of them. Okay, and they also have some free parking available, learning stroke training paid by employer. So what this means is that any learning or training that you do at the cost of working with them, the employer is going to pay for that, which is a good one. A whole lot of employers do that here in Canada. Paid time off, you're going to be getting paid time off. Volunteering or personal days, they will also pay you. Willingness program, also very fantastic one. So let's quickly see how you can apply. And don't forget, all these jobs that I'm showing you today, whether you are in Canada, you can apply, or if you are outside of Canada, you can as well apply for this job. Okay, yeah, so take note of that. So for you to apply for this job is pretty much simple, which I know a lot of you keep asking me, hey Wendy, how can I apply for these jobs? And I tell you, this is not a rocket science. It's very, very simple. It's just for you to create out your time. I know it can be time consuming, but of course, if you are looking for something, you have to put in that effort to get it, right? And you are not going to rest until you get it. So applying for all these jobs are not that tasking. It's just that it's going to take you a lot of time for you to craft out a very nice resume. That is what we call CV, and also create out time to start applying for these jobs. So for this particular one, you only need to have a good standard Canadian resume that is not more than 2 pages. Then you send it to this email address that the employer provided, which I'm going to be making it bolder on the screen so that you will not have any reason to say you didn't see that very well. Okay, wishing you guys all the very best, and don't forget all the link to every job opportunities that I'm showing in today's video. You will get the link in the description box of this video, so look out for that and go ahead and apply. Okay, yeah, so family, I'm going to be ending this video right here, and I hope this video has been of great help. I hope it's much informative to you, and if it does, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification. In that way, you're not going to miss any of our upload, and give this video a like, comment down below, and share the video with your friends and family. All right, stay blessed, stay safe until I come your way next time. Bye.